Welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Kisslove hair. Super excited to have them back. Today what I have installed is a 13x4 24-inch brown and blonde highlight wig. This wig comes with pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, also a drawstring feature at the back. So you can wear her glueless, and it has little sticky tapes that you put on the sides here. Of course, I'm gonna link this wig in the description box if you want to purchase it. This should be pretty straightforward. We're gonna try the wig on first and see if we need to tint the lace or anything like that. Adjust my strap a little bit, and I'm just gonna take my ponytail out. Okay, so I am gonna put some lace tint on this lace.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly.
And press it in. I like to go in with some powder that's a little bit darker to see if I can just kind of like hide that wiggy line, you know? I'm gonna go in with some scalp powder.
Like I know I could, like I could if you show me. Yeah.
This is what we got. It is very shiny. I'm not used to this particular type of blonde, if I'm being completely like transparent with you guys. It is taking some getting used to, but it is really pretty. This is what she looks like up close. It looks really nice. With the tape, literally the install is effortless. 2 seconds and that's what you got.
If you show me, yeah. If you show me, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming.
Of course, you can wear her glueless because she is made to be worn glueless. Up close, you can see that it's laying pretty flat. We're gonna curl it and do a side part. I'm gonna meet you back when I have a little bit more progress.
So now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need my help and I thought
I'm gonna put some powder here to hide that like the tape, because sometimes you can see the little residue.
I need it, I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving.
I did do this side. Now we're gonna do this side. This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Is it cute? This is how it looks at the bottom. It's not going to hold the same curl like a body wave wig or a loose deep wave wig, but nonetheless, we were still able to curl her. And this is reminding me of a hairstyle that I had back in the day. Let me see if I can find the pic. If I can find the pic, I'm gonna insert it here because it totally is giving that vibes. Okay, so I definitely prefer this wig in the curled state. Of course, I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you if you want to purchase it. When I first got this wig, I was a bit taken aback at the color. It's not typically a color that I would choose, but it's one of those wigs where you have to install it to really see and get the feel of it. Overall, it does look really pretty. I'm happy with how it turned out. Now, the transparent lace, I feel could have been a bit better. With some lace tint and some foundation, it does look pretty good on. This wig is very much big head friendly. If you got a big head, it's definitely gonna fit because there's lots of room in here. You can see like I could fit my entire hand in there, and I think that's why it's not like laying super flat here, which is okay because it kind of gives it more like volume look. So if you like big hair and big volume, this is definitely the look that is giving. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Of course, if you want to find this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Let me know your thoughts. How does it look on me? What do you think of the color? And did I do a good job styling and cutting the layers? Okay, anyways guys, that is all for today. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.